So it's the Mavericks now. They trail by 6. Irving. Can't get it to go.
That's something they need to do more of. Get after it on the glass. Go get those boards.
Back to Leonard. Pass to George. Outside Westbrook. Shot clock at 5. Second chance shot. And lots of contact there. Missing the shot. He'll shoot 2. It's his first trip to the line. That's good from Westbrook. So he hits 1 of 2 from the stripe. Doncic. His 3-pointers off the mark.
Boy, even though he missed, you can't give up that kind of a look very often.
Now, here is George.
I'll tell you what, the defenders didn't even get a sniff of him on that move to the hoop.
The Mavericks trail it. And here's Irving. He's got 8. Second half of basketball, just over a minute played so far. From deep. Good. 9 points in the game so far.
Maybe with that, the lid on this basket will be lifted for him.
Here's Westbrook. He's got 7. It's intercepted. Doncic. And he gets the bucket.
He had his choice of finishing moves there, and you just got to love the fact he went old school with the finger roll.
Harden outside. And the layup is good.
You know, Steve, something else that jumps out at me about him is how often he thwarts penetration with his active hands. I mean, he gets a lot of his steals as players try to make their way to the basket.
Dallas calls timeout. And the Mavericks making a change here. Two minutes into the second half of play now. And it's Paul George with the foul. That's his first foul. Leonard with the steal. Only one man back on D. Jumps up. Now that's how to finish the break. Throw down with force. Now here's Randolph. Outside Randolph. Pass to Irving. Tries it from 19. Connects. The jumper drops. 10 points for him. Now George. Right side George. He lobs up the alley-oop pass. Up high to stuff the alley-oop. Here's Randolph. Clock keeps going. 3 minutes into the second half now. Stolen by Harden. Pass to George. Now here is Harden. And so it's Dallas with it. It's a 10-point game. Irving with the ball. Here's Paul. Paul George grabs the miss.
Well, the effort was there, but he just couldn't quite fight his way through traffic.
Leonard with the ball.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. They keep getting in the paint and keep scoring points. Keep it going.
Makes the lead pass. Irving. It's rebounded by Leonard.
It's a +5 advantage for them in the rebounding category after that board.
Harden with it. And they're running. Washington. That's good.
They're not as aggressive from the outside here, but maybe they should think about stretching the defense a little bit, like they did in the first half. I mean, stretching the defense makes it easier to score inside, too.
George with the ball. Well, through 3 quarters of play, down double digits, it may be. And the final period of play just about to start. Now here's Leonard. And yes, sir, that one drops. Outside Irving. Left side Irving. Off target at the rim. And here's Leonard. Left side George. Outside Westbrook. Stolen. One-on-one here. Exum. Soft touch off the glass.
He had to battle for that lay-in. Excellent, tough defense, but he found a way to get it down anyway.
Right side Westbrook. Back to Leonard. Throws it up high. Stolen away. Nice job to interrupt the alley-oop attempt there. A few possessions into the fourth quarter. Just over a minute played. Outside Irving. No good there, and that would have cut it to single digits.
And that'll increase their rebound advantage. They've definitely been winning that battle on the board.
Throws down the alley-oop slam. Dallas calls timeout.
Kevin, over that last break, I got a chance to hear what Rick Carlisle said to his team.
Mavericks making a switch here. Pass to Jones. Just about 1.5 minutes gone by here in the fourth. Dallas again missing. Knocked loose. Exum. Washington. And another shot. Clark, if they want to, they can milk the clock just a little bit here.
Amen. I think that's the best option.
Leonard with the ball. Zubac. And it's good. Fought through contact. It's the shot. He'll go to the free throw line. And the Mavericks making a change here. Clark, they've been struggling here on offense.
Yeah, a little bit of cottonmouth here. Dry spell for sure.
Outside Westbrook. He lobs it up, and Kawhi Leonard with the slam. Now Irving. They need this. James Harden with the rebound.
It just hasn't been a very good day for him, guys. They need him to start burying some of those.
Drills it from outside.
D there, guys, was pretty much non-existent. I mean, you can't leave a good shooter like that open.
Pass to George. Back to Westbrook. Kicks it out to Leonard. Clock at 6. And the layup's good off the glass.
He's been one of their more reliable options today, guys. I mean, his shooting has led them to this lead.
Doncic. Well, if you're just tuning in, welcome. We've got about 3.5 minutes gone here in the fourth quarter. The shot is good. Now here is Hardaway. And that'll be Dallas as it goes out of bounds. Mavericks retain possession. And it's a completely new group on the floor for the Mavericks. Pass to Jones. Paul George with the steal. One-on-one here. Right side George. Exum. Back to Jones. Tries a three. Throws it down with the quick putback jam. Here's Leonard. It's off. So the Clippers